how to factory reset an iPhone to sell it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go into the settings on your iPhone and completely remove your Apple ID account so that then you can sell it or get rid of the iPhone without having to worry about it still being connected to your Apple ID account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's very easy to do this. The first thing we need to do is open up the settings. And before we actually factory reset or anything like that, what I recommend doing is backing up the iPhone. So this is optional. You can skip this step, but I think it's good to back up everything on the iPhone before we factory reset it. And to do that, select the first option in settings labeled Apple account. Then in here, just select iCloud. Now, once you select iCloud, scroll down a little bit and you'll see iCloud backup. And you want to make sure that backup this iPhone is turned on. And then all you need to do is select backup now. Now you can see the last date that it was backed up. And if that was recent, you don't have to do that, but I'm just going to select backup now. It's going to let you know if anything is not selected to be backed up, but I'm fine with that. So select continue and it'll start backing up my iPhone right now as we go. It'll give you an estimated time, but I recommend doing this just so you don't lose any of your data once you factory reset and completely wipe everything from this iPhone. So while it's doing that, if you have an Apple Care subscription, we can go ahead and cancel that for this iPhone. And we can easily do that by backing up back to Apple account here and then just selecting subscriptions. Once you select subscriptions, look for Apple Care Plus or anything like that, and look for it to be on the phone that you currently are using right here that you're going to factory reset. So if there is one there, select it and then just select cancel subscription, confirm you want to cancel this Apple Care on the iPhone that you're actually getting rid of. Once you've done that, hit back. Then we can go back to iCloud. Just make sure that the backup has been completed, and it has completed the backup. So once the backup is done, the next thing we need to do is sign out of this iPhone. And that just removes our Apple ID account from the iPhone. This is an important step because if you just factory reset your iPhone, the iPhone will be locked to your Apple ID account and no other account will be able to log into that iPhone until you've signed out of it. So to sign out of it, go back to Apple account here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and at the bottom, you'll see sign out. Select sign out, and they've actually made it really easy for us. So we can just select erase this iPhone. And as you can see, it says erasing this iPhone after signing out. This will prepare your iPhone for transfer if you're selling, trading, or giving it away. So what I recommend doing is select erase this iPhone. As you can see, this signs you out of your Apple account and removes your personal data from the iPhone so that it's safe to trade or give it away, sell it, anything like that after this. So go ahead and select continue and then erase iPhone. Go ahead and enter your passcode on your iPhone. Then once you do that, it's going to check and make sure that all the data has been uploaded to iCloud. So we just did that before this, which will ensure that this will not take that long. You can also select skip backup at the bottom if you want to, but I'm just going to let it check just in case there's anything that was not backed up before. Once it's done backing up, you'll need to enter your Apple ID account password. So go ahead and do that. And then once you enter your password, it'll reboot the iPhone. You'll see the Apple symbol there, and you'll see it start making progress with the factory reset of this iPhone. So just give it some time. It may reboot a couple times or start over this progress bar a couple times. Then once it's finished, it'll reboot and it'll start up like this, where you see the generic startup screen where people need to go in and start configuring the iPhone for the first time. So they'll need to select the language and then sign into an Apple ID account. So that's how you factory reset an iPhone to sell it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.